Woods Bagot is one of the world's leading design firms. The differentiator between Woods Bagot and its competitors is the way that we operate as one global design firm. So we don't have a global headquarters. The competitive advantage is that we're capable of having the right people working on the right project. Because of the One Global Studio, we are able to work as virtual teams anywhere around the world. Our staff are able to collaborate from anywhere around the world on the one single project. A perfect example on the way that Woods Bagot staff collaborate on a project is that we can have a facade expert based in San Francisco, a building core expert based out in New York, and an interior designer in Sydney, and all three staff collaborating on the same project together. Because of the business strategy of the One Global Studio, the network is a key function to the success of the business strategy because of the virtual studio. At any given time, any given day, any given location, we can have 200 meg visualization animation files traveling around the network, collaborated on in any 2, 3, 4, 16 different studios. Because of the Proxy SG and Packet Shaper solution in place, we are able now to distribute animated files of some of the projects that we work on without the need of a Windows Stream server. Whereas prior to this, it would have been absolutely impossible to do this over the wire. It would have been, again, burnt to DVD and shipped to all studios via the post. Having visibility on what's travelling over our network at any given time allows us to tweak the network, to monitor the network, to ensure that we are driving efficiency on our network. It ensures that we are capable to allow our designers to work on their documentation up to the latest possible moment of meeting that deadline. What has been quite eye-opening about the visibility that we have today is the new applications that are popping up around the world on the internet. That is the scary thing, is that we know about these applications now. I can't imagine what it would be like not having that visibility available to me. Once we have the visibility on our network, we are capable of then fine-tuning our network, and it allows us to ensure that business critical applications have got absolute priority over recreational web traffic. By reducing the time to transfer files into Studio, we were able to drive efficiency into the business because they were able to receive and send information to each other 100 times faster than what they could prior to the rollout of the Proxy SG and Packet Shaper solution. The response time of the applications that we use, for example SharePoint, has been fantastic. We have seen SharePoint traffic and response time reduced by up to 50 times, and it truly is amazing. Some of the other applications that have benefited from the acceleration and QoS have been Microsoft CRM and Microsoft Exchange. It's been so successful that we have reduced the requirement of our distributed Exchange servers by 66%. It was quite amazing for Woods Bagot how quickly we were able to achieve a return on investment. By implementing the solution, we were able to reduce the bandwidth of that traditional packet network by 20%. And the ongoing cost saving was that we were able to achieve a 4-month return on investment on the total Blue Coat solution by implementing the Blue Coat solution. What the new solution has allowed Woods Bagot to do is to ensure that we are able to deliver true value to our client by having the right expert working on the client's project. Blue Coat as a company was key in assisting Woods Bagot achieve its strategic goal of One Global Studio. The efficiencies that we have been able to drive into the business at Woods Bagot via the Blue Coat solutions has been, it's not only met but is exceeded the Woods Bagot's expectation.